Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Kauserwise and this is the continuation video of ratio analysis. In the previous videos, we have seen four different calculations which comes under turnover ratios. Okay, you can find the playlist link in the description box. Now in this video, we are going to see creditors turnover ratio and average payment period. Now let's see the problem. See the problem. A trader purchases goods both on cash as well as on credit terms. The following particulars are obtained from the books. The first one, total purchases gross, how much? 4 lakhs. Cash purchases 50,000. Purchase returns 20,000. Creditors at the end 1 lakh. Bills payable at the end 60,000. Okay. With this information, they ask you to calculate creditors turnover ratio and average payment period. Now let's see the solution. See the solution. First, we are going to calculate creditors turnover ratio. The formula is net credit purchases divided by average accounts payable. There is a formula to find out net credit purchases and average accounts payable. The formula is for net credit purchases, total purchases minus cash purchases, and in case of any purchases returns, just subtract. Then you will be getting net credit purchases. And then average accounts payable. The formula is opening balance of creditors and bills payable plus closing balance of creditors and bills payable. Okay, add together and divided by 2, you will be getting average accounts payable. Okay, first we are going to find out the net credit purchases. For that, just take the total purchase minus cash purchases and minus purchase returns. Okay, see the problem. Total purchases how much? 4 lakhs. Cash purchases 50,000 and purchase returns 20,000. Okay, just find out net credit purchase. So total purchase how much? 4 lakh minus cash purchase 50,000 and minus purchase return 20,000. What is the answer? 3,30,000. This is net credit purchase. So we have calculated net credit purchase. Now we need to calculate average accounts payable. See the formula. Average accounts payable is equal to opening balance of creditors plus bills payable plus closing balance of creditors plus bills payable divided by 2. See the problem. In this problem we have only creditors at the end, that is closing creditors, and bills payable at the end, that is closing bills payable. Okay, so in this problem there is no opening balance of creditors and opening balance of bills payable. In that case, you need not divide it by 2. Simply you can add closing balance of creditors and closing balance of bills payable in order to find out average accounts payable. Okay, see the calculation. Creditors at the end how much? 1 lakh plus bills payable at the end 60,000. So this is, that is 1,60,000 is the average accounts payable. Okay, now substitute these two values in the formula to find out creditors turnover ratio. So net credit purchases 3,30,000 divided by average accounts payable 1,60,000. What is the answer? 2.06 times. So this is creditors turnover ratio. Okay, now see the problem. We have calculated creditors turnover ratio. Now we are going to calculate average payment period. See the solution. Now we are going to find out average payment period. The formula is number of days in the year or number of months in the year divided by creditors turnover ratio. Already we have calculated creditors turnover ratio. Now we have to take the number of days as well as number of months in the year. First we'll calculate in days and then we can calculate in months. Okay, so how many days in the year? 365 days. So 365 days divided by creditors turnover ratio is 2.06. 177 days. Now we are going to calculate in months. How many months in the year? 12 months. 12 divided by creditors turnover ratio is 2.06. You'll be getting 5.8 months. So this is average payment period in months and this is average payment period in days. Okay, so this is the way to calculate creditors turnover ratio, and average payment period. So the remaining part we will discuss in the next video. You can find the playlist link in the description box. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.